Alright, real talk. Are you tired of blowing account, jumping from one strategy to another, consistently switching mentors, trying every so-called secret system? Listen, I've been there, and today I want to give you 5 raw insight truths that can completely shift your forex journey. These are 5 lessons I've learned so the hardest way through losses, mistakes, and wasted time. If you apply even 2 of them, you're gonna save yourself even months, even years of pain. Let's dive into it. And number 1, stop depositing and start investing in yourself. I know this sounds crazy because your mentors have told you deposit the moment you register an account. Here is what most traders do. They open an account, deposit a few $100 and hope for the best. Wrong approach. So if you're already profitable on the demo account, you have got no business going live. If you are not profitable on the demo account, why? Because real trading magnifies your weakness. If you can't follow your plan in demo, you're absolutely found under real pressure. What you should be doing early on is investing in your skills, buying books, join a real trading mentorship, spend time watching how the market behaves, not just looking for trends. A lot of people say trading like a business, but most of you are escaping the training phase and jumping straight to the execution. That's how I like to fly. You know, that like actually trying to fly a plane before taking any lesson. Stop funding failure. Start funding education. And number 2, learn many strategies but only find yours. I get this question all the time. And then what is the best strategy that I can use? Here's the truth. The best strategy is the one that you can actually stick on. At the beginning, it's actually okay to try multiple strategies. You are in a discovery mode when you are a beginner, but don't stay there forever. Test, observe, journal, then choose just one. Whether it's a supply on demand, the smart money, ICT, price action, it does not matter if it's actually fit your personality, your lifestyle, and you're getting consistent data. Then stick with it and double down. Jumping from one method to another will actually keep you confused forever. Chasing a phantom edge, stop strategy humping. Start refining. And number 3, master one thing. Go deep, not wide. I know traders who watch 20 currency pairs, train 6 time frames, and they wonder why they're stuck. Listen, pick one pair, one time frame, and set up the master trade. Repetition actually brings mastery. You need to go to the point where you can actually feel the chart, not because it is mystical, because you have been seeing it play out 100 times before. Trying to be everywhere at once, it actually defines your focus. Forex, you want specialist and not a generalist, right? Number 4, set rules and then follow them. And this is where so many people have problem. Most people actually don't trend thinkable. Why? Because they have no rules. Ask a losing trader the risk management plan and they will end up telling you, it depends. It depends. That kind of winging, you need actually to set it clear. No negotiation rules. For example, this is what you actually have to do. You have, when someone asks you what is your rules, you say confidently, I risk 1% per trend. I'll only train after London session. I only stop after 2 trains, win or loses. Now here is the secret. It's not about finding perfect rules. It's about sticking to them long enough to collect useful data. Without rules, you can just react. Without rules, you are testing. Professional traders don't rely on emotions, rely on system. And you should do it too if you need to be a professional trader. Number 5 is the last one. Avoid the crowd, but don't go completely alone. You actually end up joining 5 Telegram channels, groups. You follow 10 gurus. People claim actually to be gurus. Every morning you check that everyone else is doing before making your own decision. That's how you actually use your end. You lose your hands. Crowd-based trading is actually the noise. It pulls you away from your process, but a total isolation can actually stand your growth. You need the right community. One that challenges you thinking, gives you constructive feedback, and owns you accountable. Not just echoes chambers filled with the hype and signals. Find balance. Quit the noise, but don't stop learning. You're going to end up, for example, every on Telegram, people are telling buy. The other one are selling sell. You end up confused. You see so many people are telling you buy. And when you go to the market, you see honestly the market is selling and not buying what people are saying. Now let's just do a recap. The point that I mentioned is I said stop throwing money into the market, invest in your skills. Number 2, I said test multiple strategies but commit to one. Number 3, I said focus, specialize, master your setup. And number 4, I said beyond the rule-based system and respect it. And number 5, I said filter the noise but stay connected to the right people. These 5 truths saved my forex journey. I hope they help you too. If this resonates with you, drop a comment, like this video, and also let me know which point hit the hardest. Ensure that you subscribe if you are serious about mastering this game. And remember, it's not about how fast you go, it's how long you stay in this game. Ensure you always trade smart, stay focused, and I want to see you in the next video. So subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.